Welcome to the wonderful world of beautiful birds. Today we will explore the rarest and most beautiful birds from all over the world, from America to India, from Australia to Brazil. Do you think you can recognize them all? Let's challenge yourself with these interesting quizzes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Let's get started right away. First, easy level. Pigeon. Bald eagle. Parrot. Swan. Yellow-billed albatross. Medium level. Ostrich. Kingfisher. Canary. Hornbill. Token. Hard level. Swinhoe's pheasant. Swallow. Nightingale. Bulbul. Magpie. Extremely hard level. European starling. Indian pitta. Vermilion flycatcher. American woodcock. Gray heron. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your answer.